Good morning peeps, Mr. Week today has come to the Kit Car show. I'm here at the Three Counties Showground in Malvern. This is in the county of Worcestershire. Let me to tell you, this car kit show is really outstanding. It's not for everyone. Normally people, they do buy this type of cars because they are cheap. I'm just giving an example. If it was a Ferrari replica 355, because it's very popular, it would cost just 10%, maybe less, even to insure as well. The car they use, for example, is a Toyota MR2, but there's so many other type of cars they make in very small numbers, but some of them actually they cost a lot of money. At this moment, for example, a company is using the Porsche 986 convertible, the Boxster, and they put a body kit, and actually the body kit himself, it costs £35,000. Nevertheless, guys, here in UK we're so lucky because we have so many petrol heads who like to share their cars and to show their creativity. This car is a good example why I like the kit car shows. Look how stunning is this car. I would say this car is not even costs 15, maybe £10,000, if not less. This, for example, belongs to the Eagle Owners Club, and they got several here. Even Stig is here today. He has driven the best cars in the world. Is that right? What is your favorite car? You kidding? But look at this one, is the covers that I'm such a big fan, and look at that, you got so many different colors or models, and these ones actually they can be very expensive, but I do appreciate people, they buy these type of cars. They are so unique and very interesting. Look at these beautiful models called the Hunter. Oh my goodness, so beautiful, very similar to the Morgans. Would you agree? Looks amazing in British racing green. What is that? Every time I see an ultimate car, especially the GTR, these cars, they are beautiful and fast, but they are not cheap actually, like these four GT40s replicas, because the original, I reckon it cost over £2 million. But look at that, you can have a cheaper car, enjoy yourself. This looks the real deal, and how beautiful these cars they do look. But I know some of them, they can cost over £100,000. What is that? I think that is the Mini Marcos. Oh my goodness, still a project. Was this the barn find? And that's why I appreciate these people, they buy these type of things. Oh my goodness, it's got even tape holding the wide body kit into the body. That is so rusty. This area here in the Malvern Hills, so it's called there, where thousands of people, they come every single month. They come here to walk. Apparently it's the best city in UK to live. I didn't know that. But nevertheless, the facilities here is just mind-blowing. They moved from Stoneleigh to Malvern, and I'm happy because you got the grounds, you got the views, so you can stay here the weekend camping or bring your motorhome or caravan and see these amazing cars. And this gentleman just brought this project so everybody can see it, unless it's the real thing. Some of these cars, they are very powerful. Look at this one, is full of carbon, the front fenders, and they are very light as well. Even the screen, or the short screen, is made out of carbon. It wouldn't surprise me this is a weapon. People, they have this type of cars, they do enjoy, because they are cheap to run. Some of these cars, I think they use even a Mazda MX-5. And how stunning is that? Oh, it's got the Honda S2000 engine. This is fast and it revs. I love these cars. Look at this beautiful Hawk. That's what it's called. There's several here. This one particularly, I do like it. Not because of the yellow, but because it's got a body kit and it looks stunning. One in purple. They are so similar to the Morgan guys, isn't? And we are in Malvern actually, where they make the Morgans. These cars, they are almost a copy, but they are cheaper because Morgans, they are very expensive. The buggies, I love the buggies. Today's a beautiful day. It's very cloudy, but it's not raining, and it's very hot actually. It's 22 degrees, guys. Let's see what buggies they will have here. This all normally is a big club. As you can see, there's plenty here already in different colors. So cool. I'm such a big fan of these cars, I have to say. This is not a kit car, this is a Porsche 911 Turbo, and I do know there's a company somewhere out there who does make Porsche body kits, but not this one. This is stunning and it's not cheap. The Lotus Elan, that I'm such a big fan, and I think this got the best color, the British Racing Green. This is the reality of kit car shows, not this Jaguar XJR, but a good example. Look at that beautiful replica of the Ferrari 355, so stunning. This is based on a Toyota Matu, and there's another kit car there that it would cost, I reckon, maybe over £2 million, but for you it could cost maybe 30 or 40,000 pounds. Look at this one. I couldn't miss this car. It's called the Piper GTR Le Mans. Apparently there's just one or two these racing cars in the world, and this gentleman here in UK, he owns this one. Actually brought us the project, he finished the car, he had to build some one-off parts, and how cool is this car? Like in any car show, they do sell tools and even car parts. It's always good for you to check, guys, because they do sell an amazing prices. You can even make an offer as well. Let's go back to the AC Cobra. Look at this one, it's got even a hard top. That is very expensive. Look at this car, looks so stunning. these two Lancia Stratos replicas, that's why kit car shows they are incredible. Look at this one, it's got the right paint, it's got the right racing graphics when this car actually they did race. Look how stunning they look.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I just found my favorite car ever, the Ferrari F40, but this is the kit car, and I love so much this car, I wouldn't mind to have it, because that it costs 10% than what the real one cost. This is still a project. This is cool. This is really cool. Look at the engine, how close it is. Nice detail with perplex back screen. Look at the Ferrari Dino replica. I love the variety here, the kit car show. Look, looks beautiful in this grey Nardo. Beautiful cars. So there you go, look at the variety here. There's some American cars. This is cool. This is cool. I wonder actually if you still got the original paint. There's even a motorcycle. Is this the first one in the world? This is cool, guys. What a found. What a found.
Be the greatest. Everybody. Everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.
My friends, I'm going to end my video here, the kit car show at the Three Counties Showground in Malvern. If you want to know, fingers crossed next year will happen again. They have been moved by Stoneleigh to here since last year. Now this year is even bigger. But I was looking forward to see this particular car, where it was a Porsche Boxster 986. It's been modified. They put a body kit and they called the Evolution GT. I was looking forward for that car, but unfortunately today on a Saturday is not here. I don't know if it will be tomorrow. Nevertheless, I'm happy because I did see my favorite car, or in this case was a kit car, the Ferrari F40. Guys, I had so much fun. This blew me away. What a show this it is. It shows the variety and the passion that people they have. The Ford GTs or the AC Cobras, they can cost over £100,000. I have seen amazing cars here, or kit cars, let's we call them, or the fake supercars. I did enjoy. I had so much fun. Guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.